most important thing is that you're having that dialogue, that you're talking about it, rather than not knowing at all whether they are or not, whether it be vape or sex or whatever else. Our children have way more choices now than we ever did.
Yeah.
So our job is to create those nurturing relationships so that they feel safe enough to come and talk to us rather than not at all. So it's a good thing to have these conversations. I always think, let's just keep talking about it and create within our own families, create those safe spaces within our own family. Ask ourselves as parents, do I have a safe, are my children? Because if you think about suicide, mental health, and all of those other symptoms of not being well in our nervous systems, then you would have to say that is the last choice that person has, is to take their own life. It's a sad reflection if we're in a culture that encourages family and prayer and going to church. We really think we're a community, and yet in the 70s, 80s, we had the highest suicide rates in both Samoas. Then that's a sign that those people, one is too many to lose.